My name is Pedro Cabrera and this is my Rube Goldberg machine. The first step of my project will begin with this electric compressor pushing air into these dominoes. And the dominoes falling will convert potential energy into kinetic all the way over to this small weight that is hooked to similar to like a pulley system right here. And this will pull that tool up, releasing this car. And over here we just have gravity pulling, and the car has a lot of rotational potential energy being charged on it already from tracking it back. Once the car starts moving, it's gonna hopefully roll all the way forward, and it has a rope attached to it with a pulley up there all the way to where the ball is. Once that car reaches enough speed, it's gonna pull that cardboard right there, releasing the ball down the ramp with gravity and a lot of rotational force and rotational motion over here. Sliding all the way down, knocking this piece of cardboard down that is currently holding a string up, which is holding a lot of vibrational force, and it's being connected to this cardboard right there that is holding a piece of weight that is going to roll down here that has a lot of rotational and gravitational force. Once it connects to this water bottle, it's going to fall, and with a pulley system it's going to knock this other water bottle down, and then it's going to knock this weight down, and all these magnets, which are going to connect to this one right here, has a lot of magnetic force. And over here we have this pulley system that is connected to this cardboard down here. And once the pulley pulls the cardboard up, this soap will release and fall down. Another thing I wanted to say about the project, over here we have, similar to tires, when it slides down, we have a circular motion combined with projectile motion going down straight out, and all these bottles falling with gravitational force pushing them forward. That's also projectile motion. And the magnetic force there, we have electric force from the electric compressor, we have kinetic energy, rotational force and motion, and we have waves right there, and pretty much waves in all the strings that we have here, especially that one, because once it's knocked down, it's going to vibrate up and down, doing a string vibration. And throughout the whole project, it's quite noisy, so we'll have a lot of sound waves as well. Now to go more in depth about the number of steps we have, that will be step number 1, knocking the dominoes all the way down would be step number 2. Step number 3 would be that weight right there falling and releasing the car, which then is step number 4, pulling out, and then that will release the ball. And the ball rolling down would be step number 5. And then knocking that thing down will become step number 6. And then the string vibrating down, pulling that thing would be step number 7. That thing releasing all the way out and pulling the bottle will be step number 8, and that bottle, knocking that bottle down, will be step number 9, and then the magnets combining will be step 10, and then finally the magnets falling down to the ground, releasing that piece of cardboard over there, allowing the soap to fall, will be the last step, number 11. Alright, so here's the beginning. So the car didn't have enough force. Let's get a little help. And then I'm not sure why this got stuck here. It's gotta be a piece of string in the way. There we go. And the soap fell. No one caught it, but it's down there. Alright, so the car didn't have enough force. Let's to